What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. So, today we're going to talk about how much gas should I keep in my car during the winter time. Man, I had to talk about this one because it happened to your boy ArtOfSpeedd. Man, wind up going outside trying to crank the car over, and yeah, the car didn't start. I'm like, yo, what's going on? And come to find out, I had to take it to the shop to get car repairs. So we're going to talk about how much gas should you keep in your car. A half a tank or a full tank of gas, because of the fact that you don't want your car to drop below a certain point in your vehicle, so the fuel pump do not suck up moisture. And guess what moisture do with cold weather? It freezes the line, and now you looking like, yo, now I gotta take it to the shop, see what's up, see why my car not working, and they tell you, hey, you got frozen gas line or frozen pump. You know, you don't want those problems. They are $100 to $1,000 car repair that you don't want, because of the fact that you can't ride around getting it. And what is $10 is a small investment. It may not put a huge dent into your gas, but you can still ride around getting it, and $10 is just a small investment. So you see where your gas hand at, you be like, all right, cool, I need to stop, go get gas. Or you don't want to be stuck on the side of the road because you need gas and you gotta wait for AAA, call somebody, and now guess what, it's cold outside, you're freezing, and you like, dang, I just passed the gas station and I should have stopped and got some gas. Alright, so it happened to your boy ArtOfSpeedd. My mom gave me the warning. She said, hey, the snow coming, they're calling for, like, you know, a foot, an inch of snow, and you should go and get some gas. Make sure you got gas in your car. I'm like, all right, cool. I'm like, yeah, I got gas. I don't have gas. Guess what? Guess what? I didn't listen to my mom. My lines is frozen, and I'm looking like, yo, what in the world? I should have listened to my mom, because now I got more problems than a little bit. But if you enjoyed this video, go and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of our ArtOfSpeedd family, go ahead and that subscribe button. And yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.